Apparently I'm in the graces of a multi-millionaire.
Don't tell nobody.
Huh? Hey, between these right here, let me see. I got all of you in there.
Uh-oh.
Multi-millionaires. Huh? My 10 cents don't even count.
Get that truck going again and go down there to Memphis with a haircut like that. That's going to make them mad right
Just have the mow, huh?
there. Yeah. I go honking.
Today, we're going to fire this old Chevy up. Got it out in the sun. Beautiful 65-degree day, give or take. I think we're ready to start it. Yeah, we got a few little. Don't worry about that. Yeah, we covered that last time, knowing it's a damn lie. He still got it on there though. But I think we're ready to start it up. We'll see what happens. We're gonna go with this. That looks all right. This is after we had an injector. We tried to get it going the first time, had injector hang open, hydrolock the motor. We got all that taken care of. So now, now we're ready to start it, I guess. Well, it runs. This is where I have to explain to these old carburetor guys that the screw on the throttle blade is not how you set the idle on this Holley Terminator. The screw is for the IAC steps. The IAC has to be within a certain perimeter in order to work correctly. That is not how you adjust the idle. I mean, some people probably do, but it's not necessary. You do it in the software. Hell, he don't know. Just something he picked up off the side of the road and put in there. It looks good, that's for sure. Man did it all himself. Really ain't no... He really don't do shit for a living, so I mean, for him to do something like this was a pretty good achievement. That's gonna be it for today. just wanted to get a little video of starting Eric's truck up for the first time, hearing it run, get up to water temperature. Just make sure we didn't have no leaks or knocks or bangs. Go subscribe and hit the bell right now after you get done watching this. Leave us a comment, like, share it, and we'll see you next time.